guys, I'm Rhoneth Pascua. So for today's video, I will discuss about the printing technology, which include the definition, types of kind of printing technology, trends and issues of printing technology, uses and application of printing technology. So what's we gonna do? Let's do this. So what is printing technology? Printing technology is all about the process for reproducing text and image, typically with ink on paper using a printing press. What is printing press? Printing press is a process of mechanical device for applying pressure to an ink surface, resting upon print medium, thereby transferring the ink. This is the types or kinds of printing technology. We have 6 kinds of printing technology. First is offset lithography. What is offset lithography? Offset lithography, this is a process of printing plates on a flat surface. Water and ink applied to the image on a printing plate, which is chemically treated so that the colors, types, and shape on the plate will accept the ink. Next type of printing technology is flexography. What is flexography? Flexography used for product packaging. It is used plastic or rubber printing plate that are flexible. Print on foil, plastic, brown paper, the film, and all the types of packaging materials. Typically, application are milk cartons, candy wrappers, plastic bags, disposable cups, and all types of paper such as envelopes, newspaper, and labels. The third types of kind of printing technology is the digital printing. What is digital printing? Digital printing, fast developing technology, is a modern method of printing without the need for a printing press or the creation of the printing, and includes the inkjet and laser printing. Fourth kinds of printing technology is the screen printing. What is screen printing? Screen printing is a technique where a mesh is used to transfer into a substrate, except in areas made impermeable to the ink by blocking stencil. What is 3D printing? 3D printing or additive manufacturing, construction of a 3-dimensional object from a CAD model or a digital 3D model. What is 3D printer? A robot that can make 3D objects from electronics data, also called additive manufacturing. Popular types of 3D printers are what we call the FDM, which means fused deposit modeling. Can be extrude molten plastic layer by layer. The next is LSS, which means the selective laser sintering, which means the laser melt plastic powered by layer. And last type of popular 3D printers is the stereolithography, is the UV light, the hardest liquid by layer. The last types of kinds of digital printing is the LED UV, which means the printer uses the unique drying methods to ensure that your company receive the luxury vouchers of the highest quality, with LED printing in the ink setup, which means the ink transfer from one sheet to another. Let's proceed about the trends and issues about the printing technology. So, what is happening in the printing industry? So, the printing industry in the midst of decline of digital products and service continue to display the materials. So, printed materials. The industry two large markets, and advertising, publishing both accelerated their moves online over the 5 years up to 2020, reducing demand of printing. Some issues of printing technology. IoT momentum will fuel print security spend, which means the manufacturers need to expand their security assessment and monitoring their services, along with the partnering with traditional IT security vendors, particularly in the area of the intelligence. This will be imperative to ensure that print security is treated with the same priority as the rest of the IT infrastructure. Continue print and digital convergence. Print and digital convergence will drive increase the demand of integrated documents working in 2019. Despite the rapid adoption of digital and mobile technologies, many businesses remain reliant on the print to some extent. Study relevant than 64% of business believe that printing will remain important to their daily business even by 2025. IT services expertise will be key. So, the IT expertise will be key on this kind of issues in the printing technology. So, why IT is the key about this kind of issue? Based on this, IT service providing access to broader product portfolio, for example, offering print security as part of an overall management security service offering, and for the manufacturers or large channel in the organization acquiring IT providers. IT providers can be effective means of gaining the specialist and sales and support expertise required. And some of these include the IT is the key for this kind of issues. What are the uses and application printing technology? Education, prototyping and manufacturing, medicine, construction, and art and jewelry. So that's all, guys. I hope you understand what the printing technology is all about. So, bye!